Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Feridan bin Adrian. Today I will present about my Lab 2 data gathering for electrical load. So for the first site selection, that is my first home. So this is the layout, but this is not my house layout, but this layout has same specification with my house. That is have 3 bedroom, 1 storage room, 1 living room, 1 kitchen, 2 bathroom, 1 porch, 1 cooker, and 1 small surround. So this is for the first site. So this is the my electrical bill consumption. That is 29 ringgit 43 cent. So for the second one is my second home. So this is the home have 2 story, 2 floor. So this is first floor. For the ground floor, this is layout, not my layout, but it has same specification. So this is my second home. For the third one, site selection, I choose my Mat Teh and Pat Teh house. The this layout also have the same house specification that is here. So for this three site, I make the load list for different site. So for the information, this is the total list of load that have every site. So the for the first one, that have as maybe basics load just such as downlight, electric lamp, ceiling fan, LED, washing machine, refrigerator, and also one uh, air conditioner. So this all the list. So this is the power. So this is the number unit that have. So for the dual usage, this is not accurate, but I adjust it for such as, for example, so this downlight has a 9 unit, not every daily, and every 9 unit is on. So I adjust daily usage to the to to make it feel logical. So for this all the calculation to get the total energy for day, total energy for month, and this after the energy of annual. So for the total energy of a day, I just uh, multiply for the total power unit and also daily usage power, and I get the uh, value. So the value is for kilowatt hour per day. So all of the I will add, so I will get this. So to get the month, just this multiply by 30, so get this, and all this will be add, so we will get this value. So after that, this value we will find the annual one. So we just multiply by 12, so we will get this value. So we'll do for every load, and we also add, and we'll get the value. So this for the annual value. For the monthly electricity, we just take the month total energy and divide by the tariff A for the 200 first one. So for example, so this is the 135.97. We will divide with the 0.218 for the first 200. So we will get this. So for the annual CTB, we just add with 12. So we will get this. So this is for the side one. So for the side two and side three has same calculation. So this all the calculate result then be made data then being calculate. So we'll see it here for the side one and side two for my house. This is a very basic one, such as my just I said lactone, ceiling fan, refrigerator, LED. But for my mate and pate house, they have a certain load that have a high usage, such as a freezer that have a 1300, and also water filter. So the rice cooker. So this all this have many appliance that and also have a high usage. So the data analysis this I get for the monthly load power consumption. Obviously, Site 3 has four monthly load power consumption that is 444.17 kilowatt per hour. So, and this will, with defining, we also will get the cost LCC bill. The Site 3 will get the higher cost, that is 202.99 cent. So, Site 1 and 2 is very low because uh okay, for the result we'll discuss. From the figure show, we can see the power consumption is big at Site 3 and also the cost. So what I can say here, Site 3 is occupied by family, Mat Teh Pat Teh family, and have a four occupant that have their two and also their children. So they have a one family in one house for the Site 3. So the power consumption is high. For the Site 1 and Site 2 is occupied by my mother, and Site 2 occupied by my father. So the consumption is very low because it's occupied only by one person. So the tendency to use the electric appliance will low. So and I stay here. So this is the my data analysis because at here it say has many employer and has four occupant that actually daily usage hour compared to Site 1 and Site 2 that just one occupant daily. So if have just one occupant, just what I said, Site 1 and Site 2 that occupant by my father and mother, so the tendency to use electricity appliance will also low. And also Site 3, and I also said that have many electric appliance power consumption, such as a freezer, rice cooker, and water filter that contribute to the monthly consumption compared to other site. So based on the data analysis, the total consumption electricity cost affected by the type of appliance, power load of appliance, and daily usage hour. And I can say daily usage hour also affected by number of occupant that I have in the house. Yeah, I said Site 3 shown the greatest amount of power consumption due to a lot of fluctuation that have been used and high daily usage house that are affected by many occupant house compared to other two site. All these site categorized in domestic, so the tariff is being used due to logical actualization. The daily usage of 40 is calculated based on assumption only, and the result will be slightly different compared to the annual bill. So lastly, from the analysis, the larger the number of people in the house, the more electrical needed to fulfill the will of consumer. In conclusion, for this slide, student can analyze the data that have been gathered from three sites regarding electrical load, and also student can compare the energy per day, total energy per day, and annual energy use. And after that, student can make analysis and the implication of every data analysis and can and describe it in visualization such as in the graph. Finally, people can identify the detailed individual each electricity usage for every load that contribute to the monthly consumption. So thank you.